Hello everyone, welcome back to EngliTales. In this video, we will be discussing the 4 different types of sentences in English language. Let's get started. Let us first have a look at the meaning of a sentence. A sentence is a group of words conveying a complete meaning or an idea. It gives you a complete sense of that particular thing, of that particular object or topic, whichever the speaker is speaking about. So it is a group of words, not one single word, but a group of words having a complete meaning. Next, a sentence always has one subject and one predicate. This has to be there in a sentence. Now, a sentence starts always with a capital letter. And a sentence ends with a punctuation mark. What is a punctuation mark? A punctuation mark is with which we have to complete the sentence on that part. Okay, so it may be a full stop or an exclamation mark or a question mark. These 3 punctuation marks end the sentence. Let us now have a look at the 4 types of sentences. The first one we have here is the declarative sentence. This sentence gives us a statement, a fact, or provides information about something. We will have a look at an example and then you will understand it better. Now, a declarative sentence has a subject before the verb. Okay, always the subject comes before the verb, and a declarative sentence ends with a full stop. So, let us now have a look at an example of the declarative sentence. So, this is the example, I go to school every day. Now, as we see, this is a statement, a fact, or it gives information about me. I go to school every day. So, it is a declarative sentence. Second point, subject comes before the verb. I is the subject, go is the verb. So, subject comes before the verb. And it ends with a full stop. Here you have a full stop at the end of this sentence. Therefore, this sentence is an example of declarative sentence. Let us move on to the next type of sentences, which is the interrogative sentence. Now, this type of sentence, it always asks a question. Okay, it may start with a WH question or it may start with any auxiliary verb. I will tell you the examples. Okay, this type of sentence, interrogative sentence, always ends with a question mark. Okay, this has to be there. A question mark has to be there at the end of an interrogative sentence. So, WH words. What are the WH words? What, when, where, how, who, whom, which, why. These are all WH words. Okay. Now, a sentence, an interrogative sentence can also start with auxiliary verbs. What are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are can, could, may, might, should, would, etc. So, let us have a look at an example sentence with a WH word. Okay, so what is your name, which is your favorite color. These are the type of sentences which end with a question mark, because I'm asking a question to you. What is your name or which is your favorite color? So it will be an interrogative sentence. Another one is with the auxiliary verbs. So can you do this? This would be a question, an interrogative sentence. May I go out? So as students we often ask our teachers, may I go out, may I go to the washroom. So this is also an example of the interrogative sentence which asks a question and it ends with a question mark. Let us now have a look at the other two types of sentences. The third one we have here is exclamatory sentence. It is a sentence which expresses very strong emotions. This sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, we have exclamatory words and as well as exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory words are wow, hooray. These are the exclamatory words. Oops. Such kinds of words which express strong emotions, and we can also convert these words or use these words in sentences like this one. Wow, that's such a beautiful dress. So we have an exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence and the sentence expresses a strong emotion. Wow. Okay, the next example is what a wonderful gift. Again, exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence is there and it expresses a strong emotion. Wow, what a wonderful gift. So it expresses joy, happiness. The next kind of sentence, the last one we have here, is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence which expresses commands, orders, requests and instructions. As when we give a command to a person. So we have an example here, wash the plates. This is a command given to another person. So wash the plates is an imperative sentence depicting command. Okay, another one is please bring me a glass of water. This expresses request. How do we come to know? Because due to the usage of the word please, whenever we see please in a sentence, it expresses request. We are requesting the other person to bring me a glass of water. Then we have warning. Don't do this. We tell to our students, don't copy in the exams. So that becomes a warning. Order. Order, I told you, order and command are one and the same thing. Do this, do that, do your homework on time. This is an order. Instruction. First, boil the water. This is an instruction. Then add tea leaves and sugar in the water. This expresses instructions. I am giving instructions to someone. Now, in imperative sentences, there is no subject. This is important. Okay, in all these sentences which I have mentioned as examples, okay, do your homework on time, don't copy in the exams, we are telling this to a person, obviously, but we are not mentioning the subject in the sentence. Okay, and there was a type of sentence in which subject came before the verb. Which was that sentence? Write down in the comment section below. With this, we have come to an end of this session. I'll see you soon again in another video of mine. If you haven't subscribed to EngliTales yet, please do so and hit the bell icon next to it to never miss a notification. I'll see you soon again.